Good night everyone. My name is B. Gordhan Kumar, third BTech first semester. I am from Civil Department, roll number 234G 4G 1A0110, branch Civil. My topic is classical and quantum cryptography. In introduction to cryptography. Cryptography is the science of securing communication and data from access in campuses methods to ensure confidently integrity and authority of information. Cryptography has from classical techniques to advanced quantum methods to address modern security challenges. Classical cryptography overview. Classical cryptography relies on mathematical algorithms to undecrypt message. Example include Kaiser, Kipper, Vinegar, Kipper, and the data encryption standard DEC. Its security depends on the computational difficulty of solving certain mathematical problems. Classical cryptography techniques. Symmetric key cryptography uses the same key for both encryption the decryption. Public key cryptography implies a pair of keys, one public and one private. Protocols like RSA and Diffie-Hellman are fundamental to modern classification cryptography. Limitation of cryptography. Classical algorithms may become vulnerable as computational power increases. Quantum computers threaten to break many classical encryption schemes. Secure key distribution remains significant challenge in classical cryptographic system. Introduction to quantum cryptography. Quantum cryptography uses principal quantum mechanics to secure communication. It offers theoretically unbreakable secure based on the laws of physics. The most well-known application is quantum key distribution QKD. Principle of quantum cryptography. Quantum superposition and entanglement enable secure key exchange. Any eavesdropping attempt disturbs the quantum states, alerting communicating parties. QKD protocols like BB84 utilize these principles for secure key sharing. Advantage of quantum cryptography. Provides security rooted in physical laws rather than assumption. Enables detection of eavesdropping, enhancing communication security. Facilities the development of futures proof cryptographic system resistant to quantum attacks. Challenges in quantum cryptography. Implementing quantum technologies requires sophisticated and costly equipment. Quantum channels are sensitive noise and environmental disturbances. Scalability and integration with existing infrastructures remain ongoing. Research areas. Comparing classical and quantum cryptography. Classical cryptography depends on communication difficulty. Quantum cryptography depends on physics. Quantum methods can potentially provide unconditional security. Unlike classical methods, both approaches are complementary. Quantum cryptography enhances classical system security. Thank you.